how to find a suitable customer, and how to find a suitable product. A step-by-step guide. In today's video, we go into the world of how to find a suitable customer and how to find the right product to sell. That's right, we're spilling the 7 secrets to discovering your ideal customer and choosing the perfect product. Let's jump into the 7 secrets. 1. Who is your ideal customer? Imagine this. You're about to take a leap into the unknown. Picture your customer as an extended version of yourself, but in a unique situation. It's like finding the missing puzzle piece. Let's break it down. Situational needs are the superheroes of this story. Your customers are facing their own challenges that demand solutions. By understanding these situations, you're one step closer to your ideal customer and your ideal product. To do this, answer these questions. What are your recent buys? Why were you buying? Meaning, what help were you seeking when you bought it, or what feeling were you after when you bought? Where did you buy? What benefits did you get? Meaning, what expected and unexpected benefits did you get? Did it give you what you wanted? Did it give you more? Now for the secret. See, once you answer these questions mostly positively, you know that right there, you have just stumbled onto your most suitable customer. You, in a particular situation, equals your ideal customer in that situation. 2. How to find where your customers go to find stuff, like solutions or products. Time to navigate the landscape where your customers hang out. What's going to help you here is, imagine you're part of a secret club just like your ideal customers. They've got their favorite spots, and so do you. Where do they go to find stuff? And the answer? The place where you went to find the stuff you bought for your situation? That's where you'll find your ideal customer hangouts. So now you must go in there to join them. Hang with them to get used to their specific language. How they say things. How they experience things. Listen to them and find their unique slant on your same situation. Meaning their specific pain points. Once you've listened to them and found their specific pain points, you can now start crafting your solution for their specific situation. Because it's not just about finding where your customers gather. It's about crafting solutions that fit right into their world. See, you're not just selling. You're solving problems in context. 3. The mysteries of product selection. Ever felt overwhelmed by a sea of choices? Don't worry, we've got your back. So let's rewind to your recent triumphs. Those moments you conquered challenges like a boss? Those are your guiding stars. And here's the secret sauce. Seek out those who are currently in a place where you once were. Dive into online communities. Connect with like-minded individuals, and boom, you've got a goldmine of potential customers. Next, we're going to explore this product selection business further. 4. What emotions does your product strike a connection with? It's now time to explore the deeper meaning of your product. Sure, it solves problems, but it's also the bridge to customers' aspirations. Your product isn't just a solution, it's a dream come true. For example, when you purchase a house, it provides a shelter. This evokes an emotion, right? But it also provides a home for your family. You feel a deeper emotion here, not so? It also makes someone very proud, whose opinion you care about, isn't it? A spouse, parents, family members? Of course. A big emotion, yes? Naturally. It also earns you some respect among peers, true? This is a proud thing. Also a big emotion. Is it not? So, just like buying a home fulfills more than just a need for shelter, your product resonates with those customers' aspirations that go beyond the surface. The more of these customer aspirations you discover, the more you will be able to provide a better targeted service to your ideal customers. 5. How not to be hidden from your ideal customers. Ready for some mind-reading magic? It's all about understanding how people search online. This is how to go about this. Mirror your search behavior. Tap into those keywords that you type in online when you're looking for something online. And voila, you're in their heads. So, look into how you, as a user, go about looking for products or services online. What do you type when you're looking for stuff online? Try a search for the product or service that you have identified that you want to sell. See some bonus keywords that pop up. Now try using those as search items. See some more bonus keywords pop up. Those search results? They're like treasure maps. They lead you to the heart of your customer's needs. And trust me, the X marks the spot. 6. Pump up the likelihood that your product is not hidden online. Let's get down to business. Making choices. The pros, the cons, the whole shebang. By weighing your options, you're sifting through the clutter and finding your golden nugget. How do you do that? Look at the volume of the search results for the bonus keywords that you found while doing your search using keywords. Select keywords where many people were looking for that service or product. Next, use keyword research tools that are available online to check which of those keywords have high competition and which have low competition. You want to produce a product and service messaging which address your high volume, low competition searches. So remember, it's not just about what you know. It's about aligning your expertise with a hungry audience. But not just a hungry audience, but the audience that you can reach. The audience that can see your product and messaging. That's the recipe for success. 7. Your journey is now set to fly. Armed with insights? You're making informed decisions that'll set you up for success. As you define your ideal customer and choose your perfect product, you're stepping onto the path of entrepreneurial greatness. Remember, the road ahead might have twists and turns, but with determination, you're destined for greatness. If this guide lit a fire in your belly, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also subscribe and stay tuned for more epic content. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep rocking that entrepreneurial spirit.